Jay Leshark here with your Phuket weekly weather update live from my garden. Well, I'm live. Obviously, this is recorded, so it's not live for you, but it's live for me. Anyway, you want to know what the weather's doing for this week, the third week of September? Then I'm going to tell you. That's right. But before that, let's go check out Farmer Shark and his garden. It's over here. I'm going this way, though. All right, Farmer Shark here. Now, look here. You see my cucumbers, right? I built this little cucumber frame so they can grow up. Look, that'd be nice. And then there's sunflowers doing quite well. Bok choy's doing all right. And then look, there's some new pineapples I put in there. Lovely, aren't they, the pineapples? This is my corn. Something's been eating my corn. There's a cow somewhere. More pineapples. And my one tomato plant. And look, I'll show you where I got my pineapples from. Come this way. I got my pineapples from this plant. If you see here, look, see inside there, there's a little pineapple growing. I took that one out and I planted them in the garden. It's out of focus, isn't it? There you go. Can you see it now? That's better. There you go. Anyway, should we go do the weather? Mischief, should we go do the weather? All right, let's go. Let's do the weather. Wow. Pepsi Clear. That's cool. I like that. Wow, there you go. Pepsi Clear. And it just so happened, after the little intro, garden looks good, doesn't it? I went and got one. That's right, Pepsi Clear. Mmm, tasty. Zero sugar cola, apparently. I remember when Coke did, what was it, Coke Tab, years ago. Anyway, let's try it. Pepsi Clear. Mmm. Mmm. Interesting. Doesn't taste. Well, blah, 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 blah. Definitely doesn't taste of Coke or Pepsi or Coca-Cola. It's a bit weird. Very artificial. Do you know what it tastes like? A little bit like cream soda. Anyway, there you go. Pepsi Clear. You could buy one and then you could put it in one of our thermos cups. That's right, they keep hot things hot and cold things cold. How does it do it? I don't know. You can buy these at our website. Just go to www.5starmarine.phuket.com/merchandise. Whoop, whoop. Right, anyway, let's look at the weather. Move this a little bit. For the third week of September. Oh, I haven't zoomed in yet. Look, zooming in, zooming in, zooming in, zooming in, zooming in. Woohoo! There we go. Right, Phuket is here, Phang Nga Bay is here, Phi Phi is here. This is our windy app, which shows us the direction and the force of the wind. Got a windometer as well, look. It's an anemometer. He said it, he said it. Not that I need it inside. Anyway, if you see purple, that's good. Blue's good. A little bit greeny means it's a little bit windy. Green, more windy. Yellow, windy. Orange, oh my God, it's... That's right. Orange is fart time. Very windy. So childish. Right, let's do this. Sunday. So this is right now as I'm recording this. As you can see, it looks beautiful today. It's very nice. I've just been out, actually, as you saw, because it was in my garden. And it's pretty nice today so far. It rained last night, but not so far today. This is Sunday afternoon, which really doesn't really matter because by the time this comes out, this day's already gone. So let's go to Monday. Monday the 15th. As you can see, it looks quite nice. Phang Nga Bay, always nice this time of year. Phi Phi looks okay. Little bit of wind, but that's miles away from us. Don't need to worry about that. Monday afternoon, woo, little bit of wind coming in, so it might get a little bit bumpy coming back from Phi Phi. Let's look at Tuesday the 16th. Looks okay in the morning. Phi Phi's here, obviously Phang Nga Bay. Phang Nga Bay always this time of year is good. And because we get a little bit more drops of sunshine, especially in the evening, it's so lush and beautiful. It's really good and it's really vibrant. Great for taking your selfies. That's right. Tuesday afternoon, little bit windy, so it might be bumpy coming back from Phi Phi, so probably Monday your best option is to stay in Phang Nga Bay. Let's look at Wednesday 17th. Looks good in the morning, Phang Nga Bay and Phi Phi, looks nice. Wednesday afternoon, it's going to be bumpy coming back, so if you are going to go out Wednesday, I'd stay in Phang Nga Bay if I was you. Let's look at Thursday the 18th. Wowzers, that's yellow, that's windy, even Phang Nga Bay's windy. I think Thursday's a really good day to go and have a cooking class in Phuket town. That's right, explore Phuket town. It's lovely there, full of culture, great food, great coffee, great atmosphere, great everything. I like Phuket town, nice place. Anyway, let's look at Friday the 19th. Woo! Friday 19th looks a bit, that's another day for Phuket town. Or maybe go for a massage, a spa day maybe. Not really into spas or massages personally. But anyway, there you go, Friday afternoon. Yeah. Phang Nga Bay might be alright Friday. I wouldn't recommend going down to Phi Phi, that's for sure. Let's look at Saturday the 20th. Saturday looks good, which is nice. Saturday afternoon looks pretty good, so Saturday looks good. And then Sunday the 21st looks nice. Sunday afternoon, good. Next Sunday looks good. Oh, what's happening next Sunday? Apart from me filming the weather again, is someone new going to join our little family. But anyway, talk about that next week when he arrives. Bless him. Right, so that is our windy for Phuket. Let's go on to this one, which is our acute weather. Let's go to the, hello, she's lovely. Let's go to the daily section. Come on now, refresh, refresh, refresh. Oh, my internet's slow. There we go. Right, Sunday, 33 degrees. And it is. There was a little, it says rain and drizzle, but to be honest, it hasn't been raining and drizzly at all today. So that's lying to you. Lies. Monday 30, Tuesday 31, 31, 30. Thunderstorms on Thursday and Friday, but we kind of saw that from our windy. So Thursday and Friday do look a little bit wet and windy to go out. But then Saturday looks good. Sunday looked good, all around about 34 degrees. Now, September is one of those weird months. It's probably the worst month of the year, in my opinion, for weather, because it's just so unpredictable. It really is. It could be raining for 5 seconds and then not raining, then really hot and then raining again, and then cloudy and then blue sky. September is just a crazy, crazy, crazy month for weather. So the best thing to do is just wind down your window and look up, which is only good if you're living in Phuket. If you're living somewhere else and not in Phuket, then you'll only see what the weather's doing for you where you are. So that doesn't really help, does it?
No.
No, doesn't at all. Anyway, let's go to the TMD radar, which is pointless, 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 because this is live right now as I record this on Sunday. And as you can see, the green is rain. It doesn't matter because this will be gone by the time, in fact, this will be gone by the time I send this to Miguel to get it edited, to be fair. So I don't know why we do it, but I'll tell you why we do use this. We use this on a day-to-day basis in the office so we can watch the weather come in, so we can tell the guides and say, hey guides, there's some rain coming, better go and hide in a cave. That's right. Hide in a cave. Cool. Well, there you go. That's your weather forecast for the 3rd week of September. Yes, I think it is the 3rd week of September. I think. Yeah. Anyway, there you go. Good, eh? Right then. Go and try Pepsi Clear. Once again, it's a bit weird. Yeah, very strange. I'm not sure I'll be buying it again, but it's worth trying. And I have to say, I do like this advert. Look, watch. As we reverse up, look, she goes from being a rock chick to being not a rock chick. Bush! Good, isn't it? I'll do it again, look. Ready? Here she's rock chick. She's quite hot as a rock chick, to be fair. And walking past. Stopped it just in time. Look, it's clearing. And it clears. She goes from being a rock chick to crystal clear, baby. Yeah. There you go. Pepsi Clear. Not my favourite. Go and try and comment below. If you want to know what the weather's doing when you come out, we don't know because we can only really tell about a week before. So please don't ask a question what the weather's doing on November the 2nd at 10 o'clock because we don't know. Go and try some Pepsi Clear instead. Got it? Good. Right. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, share love and try Pepsi Clear. We're not sponsored by Pepsi Clear and other clear drinks are available, of course, like water because it's good for you. Woo woo! Done. Hey! She's hot. Thanks!